Business profile. Our many years of experience in tool services provided to various industries has allowed us to become a trusted partner for many manufacturing companies. Constantly developed machine park and investment taken for implementation of modern technologies, a guarantee for our customers to get high quality of parts, as well as punctuality of provided services. Large machine park together with specialized team of 25 high-qualified technologists, tooling specialists and constructors, provides comprehensive services from the concept of a technical solution to implementation. Our scope of activity is mechanical processing, tooling services, design. We are specialized in preparing all kind of technological equipment and machine spare parts for industrial branches as below: automotive, household goods, electrotechnical. Our advantage is providing design services from production engineering area. We analyze our customers' needs, verify their problems, and basing on those input data we provide them effective solutions.
Our scope of activities are mechanical processing, precise machining of tool steels, aluminum and plastics by CNC turning and milling, production of parts with high quality requirements, made of certified materials, from proven and well-noted suppliers. Tooling services, turning and milling, grinding and wire cutting, drilling and threading or CNC machining. Proven production technologies guarantee the precise realization of every detail at the highest level of service. Design. Designs of machines and technical devices prepared in accordance with customer requirements, basing on CAD/CAM software and experience of designers. Necessary technical calculations, explanations together with complete technical documentation, and final realization.
Advantages of cooperation with Deltatech. Highest quality and precise machining. Individual attitude to customer needs. Complex projects realization. Large machine park, modern technologies. Specialized and experienced workers.
We invite you to cooperation. Join the group of satisfied customers.